Hi friends, I hope you all are having fun. Let's begin today's story. Once upon a time, in the colorful town of Wonderburg, there lived a curious and imaginative boy named Charlie. Charlie loved exploring and asking questions about everything he saw. So let's meet Charlie.
Hi, my name is Charlie. It's nice to meet you. Pixel, my trusty robot friend, I have so many questions in my head. How do birds fly? Why do stars twinkle? And what's that talking robot I keep hearing about?
Hi, my name is Robot, the adorable and wise AI-powered robot who always accompanied Charlie on his adventures. Oh, Charlie, I'm here to answer all your questions. Birds fly because they have wings that help them soar through the sky, and stars twinkle because of the twinkling of the Earth's atmosphere. And that talking robot you heard about is Chat GPT.
Chat GPT. What's that?
Chat GPT is like a friendly robot that lives inside the computer. It can talk to people and answer all sorts of questions, just like me. But instead of having a physical body, Chat GPT lives in a magical world of words.
Wow, that's incredible. So, I can talk to Chat GPT just like I'm talking to you?
Exactly. You can ask Chat GPT anything you want to know, like why the sky is blue, or how rainbows are made, and it will do its best to give you an answer.
Oh, I can't wait to meet Chat GPT. Where is it?
Chat GPT lives in a special place called the Internet. It's like a huge library filled with knowledge from all over the world. When you want to talk to Chat GPT, you just type your questions into a computer or a tablet, and Chat GPT will be there to chat with you.
That sounds like magic. I want to try it now. Hello, Chat GPT. How are you today?
Hello, Charlie. I'm doing great. How can I help you?
Pixel told me you can answer any question. Can you tell me why the moon shines at night? Of course. The moon shines at night because it reflects the light from the sun. It's like a big mirror up in the sky. That's so cool. Thanks, ChatGPT.
And so, Charlie and Pixel spend their days exploring the wonders of Wonderburg and learning the new things with the help of Chat GPT, the friendly talking robot from the magical world of words. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel to view more such videos. Ta-da! Bye-bye!